race this time, Rob Hayden looking pretty racy. And the next two runaways, Wade Eagley and Mike Small. And then we gap there, they'll let Rob Lewis go. And another gap back to Brendan Mason. And the way he goes now is the leader's just coming out of the hairpin, Greg Cullens. But look at him lighting the thing up off the line there, Brendan Mason. Great stuff off the line there. Here comes Greg Cullens, and he might be one of the dark horses. Instead, if the thing can stay together, they're problems all weekend. They're looking pretty good at the moment. Greg Cullens out there in front. Another dark horse. What did you say? Greg Cullens, all coming into the race with. The handicap race. The Greg Cullens doing a good job in that big belt, but as the big boys start coming through, Greg Donaldson's managed to get through on Michael Eden, and Rod Hayman's managed to get through on Citizen. Already. Big guy, he's got a lot of work to do. Wayne Eagley comes down here, nice forward behind him. And number 70 here, just down through the big Camaro. Makes all to do. Leaders coming out of the hairpin. Race leader comes down through, Greg Cullens. Then Ross Wild. Looks like Ross Wild's got that problem sorted, Brendan, like you said. He's going a lot quicker than what he has been all weekend. There's back to Finley, Hamilton. Then we've got Bushel. Gary Morgan, a bit of a gap back to Mike Baldwin. Then Michael Eden. Then Donaldson. Bill Hayden tucked in behind him. Gary Morgan going through on Bushel now as well. There's something close to him. Rob Lewis got the Camaro wound up. Then Mason, comes Mason. Only 5-4 that time for him. Broke it out. 105.5 broke that time for the Mayman muscle car. So just a tenth under that. That's your few points. Leaders coming through, still Greg Cullens in the Palmer 2 Mills replica, the 117 car. He's doing a good job at the moment, taking it pretty easy through Pound Co though. It'll be hard work though for the rest of them. He's managed to get through on Michael Baldwin. Greg Donaldson gets all the way up over the rest through Pound Co. Hayden now coming under a bit of pressure from Grant Simpson. Now Rob Lewis, but he drives up the inside easily, he lets the door open. And he goes through the up. Now got Ingley all over the back of him. Mike Small over the back of Ingley. Mason not too far away through Tesco there. Still 4 or 5 laps to go, and 4 laps this next time through. Greg Cullens still leads in the big Falcon from Ross Wild from Westport. Come a long way, Ross. Down across the line, 4 to go. Tinley's now noticeably getting closer, just about right on the back of these two. Then it's Barry Morgan. He's managed to get through on Hamilton. Then the 351 of Michael Bushel. Going too bad there, the old XPGT. Rod Hayman's managed to get through on Mike Baldwin as well. On the number spot. Rob Lewis has managed to get past both of them. Oh, sorry, Rob Lewis is still trying to catch up with both of them. Greg Donaldson's got the 6 Commodore wound up down the back straight. Very quick and straight line that thing. fact, they're all pretty straight, quick in a straight line, probably approaching 130 odd miles an hour, I'd say. Down towards the braking zone. And now we see Mason right on the back of Mike Small. So starting to catch up with all the traffic. Tinley now has the lead. He's managed to get through up the top there somewhere, looking for a second race win for the weekend. Bruce Tinley comes across the line with a couple to go. So now Cuttons goes back to second, then Wild third, Morgan up to fourth, Hamilton, then Bushell, then Eden. Michael Eden doing a good job. The guys behind haven't really made a picture on it whatsoever. They'll still wear the chasers. He's car and go. Mason now managed to get through on Mike Small. Keep an eye on trouble there for Rob Lewis. Rob Lewis pulls off up in Castrol with a big Camaro. That's no good. I was going to say keep an eye on the speed difference between Mason and Ingley. And Mason's just got too much down low in that ex-Grant Dalton car.
Probably overheating.
Overheat.
The race leader back into the hairpin.
Yeah.
Number 4, Bruce Tinley from Timaru. And the HT Holden Monaro replica car comes down across the line. Should be 2 laps to go this time for Bruce.
Oh, yellow now is
motor
the...
coming to this car.
Yellow now is the
a little
first.
bit more mumbo, so...
Yeah.
Where's the blue one, the Palmer's? Four. Yeah, he's the second one now. The Palmer.
Down the big straight, another lap and a half to go. Still cutting things on that big spot. There was Michael Eden. Have a look at Mary Morgan down the back straight. A good drag down there as well. Morgan showing good speed. Just gets held up a little bit by the Holden in front. And allows Michael Eden to go through. I think Eden goes around the outside of, I think it was Ross Wild. So, Bruce Tinley, he'll get the last lap board this time round. Comes out of the car evaluation hairpin. He had a 4-second lead last time through back to Cuttons. You can see how far Cuttons has dropped within the space of a lap, back to 4th. Last lap board this time for Tinley.
Ah, yellow is winner. Yellow is the winner.
Wild hanging on to that third, but not for much longer. Here come the fast guys. Ron Heyman's in this as well.
Oh.
Cuttons, Morgan.
Where is Palmer's?
Proceeds up a bit.
Ah, Palmer's is the fourth now.
Ron Heyman.
This is the fourth
Held up
now.
the boot, mate.
You really don't know.
Down the back straight for the last time. Santa Heyman went reel off another couple of cars. Look at this, Greg Donaldson coming up on the back of the Falcon, just threads the needle through there in the front of Barry Morgan, and manages to make that move stick. Oh, Greg's off, round he goes, round and round and round, Greg Donaldson, and I'm not too sure whether he's gone in the bank or not, but he was flying across that grass there, and I've been out there myself, and he was going a lot quicker than I was, and I'm sure he's gone in. So, oh no, he's underway again. There he is. He emerges out of the dust. But I counted twice that he went round in circles then. As the race leader comes down to take the race win, Bruce Tinley. 2 races for the weekend for him. Great stuff. Michael Eden, a good drive for second as well. And look at this. Ross Wild's going to hang on to third. And that's a good way to finish the weekend for him.
The first, second, and the third.
Ooh,
the
Mike
third.
Would just get the XBGT and take to the grass. Boys running up the back of Rod Hayden. Good stuff there, though. Greg Donaldson, here he comes now. It's very close, isn't it? How he's gone into the bank there.
Who's out of the Palmer?
Got a shattered window.
Oh, here's a touch on
The yellow, you see?
What
The
happened?
windscreen, I don't know.
Oh.
Must have had something.
Oh, God. Okay then.
The great stuff there from the mainland muscle cars.
It's
They can pack up, that's their weekend done.
That's it.